everyone, it's Jessie, an artist living in Japan, and today I wanted to show you my new ID that I'll be using for all social platforms that I use. So that includes Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram, Twitter. Those are the main ones that I use. I also have DeviantArt and Pixiv, but I don't really use those as much. I should, but I just don't have the time to manage 5 different platforms. So in any case, the reason why I'm doing this is because it's a new year, you know, new you, new year. Or it's the reverse. New year, new you. New year, new me. And for this year, I gave myself a haircut that I wish I could pull off in real life. I mean, technically I could if I got a perm. I have curly hair, okay? I love my curly hair. But sometimes I just don't want to go through the process of straightening it to then having cut in a specific way just so that it looks like that for the next, I don't know, 10 hours. Because when you sleep and then wake up the next day, it's not gonna look the same. So I just don't want to go through all that work just to have a straight hairstyle. You know what I mean? Like, I prefer just to use my curly hair and, you know, love what I already have. Because I already love what I have. So I did give myself this haircut again because I wish I could pull it off. You know, I wish I could pull off the straight bangs going straight down your forehead without any colics, without any hairs kind of, you know, swooshing to the sides. None of that. So that's technically the only thing that looks nothing like me. Everything else is like me. I read books, whether it's a physical book or on my phone. I'm always going to be reading something. And I gave myself a nice cozy sweater, and I used this reference photo that you keep seeing on the left here from Pinterest because I have a very similar sweater and it also had some very good fabric folds. So I really wanted to draw that, and I did put it in the color of the sweater that I have. I also gave myself a tote bag because recently now I have 3 tote bags. Before I just had 1. I know, big accomplishment, but I do use them a lot, especially during the summertime, which I'm so ready for. I love summer. The one I mainly use is actually from LlesiSea Visochina. I hope I pronounced that right. Please forgive me if I didn't. But I will link that down below so you can see her artwork. It's very beautiful. Overall, I give myself a very basic look because that's what I tend to wear now. And I'm wearing more sweaters. I'm reading a lot. Also, I really like this very sharp shading that I'm using. I kind of like it. I'm not sure if I'm in love with it, but I think it's working out a lot so far. As for her hair, I did her hair. I speak about her as if she's not me. I mean, she's technically not me, but you know what I mean. I changed her hair color a little bit because my hair color in real life is kind of a shaded out brown, but I still needed to make it look good as an artwork and not washed out. But overall, I think she, or me, looks really nice. I'm definitely going to use this throughout the whole year. I don't know if I'm going to renew it next year, but I'm really in love with how this came out. And I love the blush. And I hope you liked it too. And let me know how you're going to change yourself this year. Because I think we all need a little bit of change for the better. And again, thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you next time. Ciao!